Did you guys enjoy Top Loader? They were amazing, weren't they? We were like uber excited when we drove, and it was like, look, they're on the stage. Exciting.
I embarrassed myself in front of Top Loader last time. That's all I've got to say about that one.
Hannah claims that she met one of them at a party.
We sang Dancing in the Moonlight.
She didn't. And in a dream she had a few years ago. And then they were playing at a festival, and Hannah was like, you made out like you were friends. You were like, Abby, come up. Honestly, they'll be fine. Come onto the stage. Let's wait till they finish, and I want you to meet my mate. He didn't know who she was.
I was like, remember? It was only like a few weeks ago. And he was like, I tried every emotion. I was like, come on. Like, remember? And no, nothing.
Yeah, there was a moment of like, he's having a laugh. That's him all over. That's what he did when we met. And then it went to denial of like, we did meet. Then she got a bit angry and was like, we did. So maybe it's best we don't see them again.
I didn't even care anymore. I'm past caring.
They're behind us. She cares. You care so much.
I care. I really might care. Anyway.
It was a Top Loader panto moment there.
Feel free to come forward if you want to. No pressure. Okay, this one's called The Chaos, without the. Best sound man in the world.